Welcome back, guys. The title for today is AI Power SCADA Motor Temperature Monitoring in n8n. We will learn how to create a fully automated SCADA simulation in n8n using the Ollama Chat AI. In this tutorial, we'll monitor a motor's temperature in real time, generate AI-based prediction, and log all the data and alerts directly into the Google Sheet without physical PLC required. So you learn how to simulate the motor temperature in n8n, integrate Ollama with the predictive motor health, store real-time data and AI alert in the Google Sheets, and build a workflow that mimics a SCADA system. This is perfect for beginner and professional who want to explore AI plus SCADA integration. So let's start. You have a manual node. Okay. After that, you have a function node who generates random temperature of the motor between 16 and 19 degrees. Let's execute. So every time you execute, you have a random value of the motor. In real life, the PLC give us the temperature. After that, we have the Ollama chat model with the geometry 1.b, and we will put this prompt here. Summarize in 2-3 sentences the risk of an industrial motor running on at adjacent temperatures degrees Celsius. Returns only your short prediction here. You see the value from adjacent temperature. Let's execute to see what Ollama told us. So running an industrial motor at 66 degrees, increasing your risk of thermal stress and potential failure due to increased heat generation and potential for local melting or deformation. Okay, after that you want to unite the merge the temperature from the function node and the Ollama chat. We will put a merge node to unify this. We will choose mode combine and all possible combination. Let's execute, and this you have the temperature and the text from Ollama. And now all of this will go to a node function. Here we want to alert us if the temperature is more than 17 degrees to give us an alert with the A response. If not, do not set any alert. So you have the temperature less than 17 degrees. So let's execute to see the response. So you have the temperature 66, a prediction, and alert is false because it's less than 17, and the message is okay. Let's put here 60, 65 to see the message. Now we have the alert that is true, and the message alert running an industrial motor simply increase the message. Okay, let's map all of this data to Google Sheet. It's Google Sheet. Node append the row. Okay, sheet within document, append row from list. Series 2, let's see. Sheet 2. Okay, this is the output from another video. Let's delete. Okay, let's go back. Okay, from list. Okay, sheet 2. Map automatically and execute. Let's see what will be. All of this need to be in the Google Sheet node. So temperature 66, a prediction we have here. Okay, alert true, message that we receive on the Google Sheet node. Okay, so you can have every message if you put a cron node. Let's delete the manual trigger and type cron. Cron node is the schedule trigger. Let's say it's not in days, in seconds. Let's put every 30 seconds. Okay. Let's get the schedule trigger here. Okay. And now let's put here, we will put to activate it. Okay. So okay, trade off the on 30 seconds. And now let's see. Oh, let's put this here. Let's connect all of that here. Let's see now the update on the Google Sheet node. You see alert, alert. After 30 seconds, we will have another alert. At every 30 seconds will be another input. Okay, we wait. Let's put the schedule trigger on 10 seconds because I don't have patience to wait. Okay, let's execute again. Okay, let's see. So we have 62 degrees. That is false now, and the message is okay. Let's see next. Output from the schedule trigger. Okay, we wait. Still nothing new. Okay, schedule trigger is put there. Still waiting. Let's push 3 seconds. And let's execute again. Got it. Execute. Okay, let's see what is happening now. You see continuous, we have the running now. So at 3 seconds, the schedule trigger works continue. So you have alert, alert. Okay guys, that was all for today. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.